Welcome. First, I calculate 2018 total enrollment of international students by using these values, and similarly 2017. Then I will calculate admission difference between 2018 and 2017. So let's pause. In New York University, 2018 year, 61 students enrolled in bachelor program and 73 students enrolled in master program. I add these two values by using sum function. So activate cell D8. You have two options here. Either you insert sum function or you can type sum function. I type sum function. Enter equal sign. Type sum. Open parenthesis. Select the cell reference range. Close parenthesis. Press enter. This is the total students enrollment in New York University. To calculate students enrollment in other university, again activate cell D8. Move your pointer at right vertical border bottom edge until its shape changes to plus sign. Double click. Excel automatically pastes the formula in other cell. So you have international students enrollment in others university. To calculate international students enrollment in 2017 year, activate cell G8. Now I insert sum function from formulas tab. So click formulas tab, click insert function, type sum function in a search box. Click go. Select the sum function from the list. Click OK. In number 1 box, select the cell reference range. Click OK. 111 students enrolled in New York University. To calculate students enrollment in others university, move your pointer at right vertical border bottom edge, double click. You have rest of international students enrollment in others university. To calculate admission difference between 2 years 2018 and 2017, activate cell H8. Type equal sign. Click cell reference D8. Enter subtraction operator. Then click cell reference G8. When you press enter key, Excel returns value from these two cells in cell H8. So press enter key. This is admission difference between 2 years in New York University. To calculate admission difference in students enrollment in others university, activate cell H8. Similarly, move your pointer at right vertical border bottom edge until its shape changes to plus sign. Double click. You have students enrollment in rest of university.